The 2025 Honda NT1100 is rumored to be getting an e-clutch, which is a semi-automatic clutch system. This advanced feature would allow riders to shift gears without needing to engage the clutch lever manually. The system is designed to provide a smoother and more convenient riding experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic or during long-distance touring. Honda's potential integration of this technology into the NT1100 could position the bike as an even more appealing option for touring enthusiasts looking for a blend of traditional motorcycling with modern conveniences. According to youngmachine.com, the model to be equipped with an e-clutch will be the 2025 model of the NT1100. It is expected that it will first be unveiled at an overseas show at the end of the year and then released in Japan at a later date. Currently, the NT1100 sold in Japan is only available in DCT specifications, and although it is unclear at this point whether it will coexist with the DCT, it is likely that it will be exclusively equipped with the e-clutch. The NT1100 is often seen as a heavy-duty touring bike because of its style, but it boasts nimble handling thanks to its 17-inch wheels, and its maneuverability is also quite impressive, as it can maintain a much higher average speed on the road than the Africa Twin, which shares the same frame and engine. Adding an e-clutch to this should make it even more appealing.